If the vanity mirror light isn't working in your Kia Sportage, it could be due to a blown bulb, a faulty fuse, or a wiring issue. You can start by checking the bulb and replacing it if necessary. In this video, I will show you step by step how to replace the bulb inside the vanity mirror light in a Kia Sportage, and I will also show you the location of the fuse for the vanity mirror light. Before working with any electrical components, it's always a good idea to turn off the vehicle and disconnect the negative terminal of the battery to prevent any accidental short circuiting. If you don't want to disconnect the battery, then you can just pull the fuse for the vanity mirror light. The interior fuse box is located on the driver's side under the dashboard. Grab the handle on the cover and pull it out. Flip the cover and you will see a diagram. In the most right column, look at the fourth fuse with the light symbol. This is the fuse for the interior lights and it's a 10 amp fuse. Using a fuse puller or a pair of needle nose pliers, carefully pull out the fuse. This cuts the power to the vanity mirror light, so now you can safely work on the light without the risk of a short circuit. Using a flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool, gently pry off the vanity mirror light housing from the roof. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to avoid damaging the surrounding trim. The back of the light housing is covered with a sticky fireproof tape, so gently remove the tape and pull out the light. With the light removed, you will have access to the old bulb. The bulb is locked in place, so you will have to unlock it first before you can remove it. Rotate the bulb 90 degrees in clockwise or counterclockwise direction to unlock the bulb. Carefully grasp the bulb with your fingers and pull it straight out. If the bulb is difficult to remove, you can use a plastic tool to push it out of the socket. It's a 5-watt incandescent bulb. If the filament inside the bulb is broken or burned out, the bulb has failed. If the filament appears to be intact, the bulb might still be good, which you can check with a multimeter. Set your multimeter to ohm or continuity setting. Touch the probes to the metal contact points. If the multimeter shows resistance reading, the bulb is good. If the multimeter reads OL, the filament is broken and the bulb is faulty. Take your replacement bulb, make sure it's the correct type. Push the new bulb into the socket. Now rotate the bulb 90 degrees in clockwise or counterclockwise direction to lock the bulb. Once the new bulb is installed, take the light housing and snap it back into place. Ensure it's securely in place to avoid it coming loose while driving. Now it's time to test the light. Reconnect the negative terminal of the battery, or if you remove the fuse, insert the fuse back into its slot in the fuse box. And then switch on the vanity mirror light. If the light turns on properly, you're good to go. If the bulb is in good condition and the light still does not turn on when you press the switch, then it could be due to a blown fuse. But the fuse is shared by all the interior lights. So if the fuse is blown, all the lights on the roof will stop working. Pull out the fuse for the interior lights. Hold the fuse up to a light. If the metal strip inside the fuse is broken or burned, the fuse is blown and needs to be replaced. Replace the fuse with the same amperage rating. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more DIY car tips. Thanks for watching.